Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. Kids class name red color, blue color, yellow color, green color, black color, white color. Kids and eye coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. B. B for ball, B for bat, and again use red color. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car. D. D for dog, D for doll. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids again use red color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. G. G for God, G for grapes. H for hen, H for horse, and again use red color. Kids now draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use blue color. The alphabets of J. Kids again use blue color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. Kids now draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. M. M for moon, M for mango. Kids again use blue color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. O. O for orange, O for octopus. Kids again use blue color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids now draw R. R for rose, R for rice, and use yellow color. The alphabets of R. S. S for sun, S for snake. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids again use yellow color and draw U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. V. V for van, V for vanilla. Kids again use yellow color and draw W. W for watch, W for wallet. X. X for x-ray, X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Kids again use yellow color and draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids now draw numbers, and first you draw 1. The numbers of 1, and use green color. O N E 1, 2, T W O 2, 3, T H R W 3, 4, F O U R 4, 5, F I V E 5. Kids again use green color and draw 6. S I X 6, 7, S E V E and 7, 8, E I G H T 8, 9, N I N E 9. Kids again use green color and lastly draw 10, T E and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.